I'm about to reveal a ridiculously simple two-ingredient plant booster hiding in your kitchen cabinet right now. Ordinary baking soda and basic dry yeast are the foundation of a powerful, completely organic supplement that costs pennies to make. Plants demand consistent nourishment to develop thick, sturdy stems, glossy foliage, abundant blossoms, and heavy harvests. Today's feeding method skips synthetic chemicals entirely and leans on natural biology. Grab a clean jar and pour 500 milliliters of cool, fresh water straight from the tap. Spoon in 1 level tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of dry granular yeast. Stir the solution vigorously until the powders dissolve into a uniform, cloudy liquid. Then step away and let it activate for a full 10 minutes before touching it again. Here is what makes yeast so extraordinary for your garden. It delivers a dense concentration of B-complex vitamins, trace minerals, and naturally occurring growth-promoting compounds that plant roots eagerly absorb. Once the yeast hits the soil, microbial activity explodes and dramatically boosts the availability of nitrogen and phosphorus near the root zone. These two core nutrients fuel vibrant leaf expansion, deep coloration, and prolific flowering. The long-term payoff shows up as repeated waves of blooms, thicker canes, and noticeably bigger yields across vegetables, herbs, and ornamentals. Now baking soda steps in wearing a different hat. It acts as a gentle protective shield by slightly elevating alkalinity directly around the root crown and surrounding soil particles. That subtle pH shift disrupts the comfort zone of destructive fungal spores and opportunistic bacterial colonies. Routine applications build a hostile barrier against root rot pathogens and suppress common blights like powdery mildew, even during stretches of persistent humidity or overcast weather. Combine your activated jar mixture with 10 liters of plain water in a large watering can or bucket. Blend everything thoroughly so the active ingredients spread evenly throughout the liquid. This mild, diluted tonic accelerates overall vigor, reinforces the plant's internal defense mechanisms, and toughens tissues against environmental curveballs like drought stress, sudden temperature plunges, and wind damage. One firm rule you must follow: use this preparation the moment it is ready. Do not cap it for tomorrow, because the live microorganisms lose potency fast once mixed. Apply it directly to moistened soil, circling the plant's base 2 to 3 times each calendar month, never splashing leaves unnecessarily. Think about what just happened here. Two humble staples sitting forgotten on a pantry shelf can transform tired garden beds into a thriving, resilient ecosystem bursting with life. If you found value in this quick organic recipe, tap the like button right now to signal this content matters. It genuinely pushes my channel out so more curious growers discover straightforward, chemical-free solutions like this one. Drop a quick comment telling me which crop you plan to feed first and what region you are tuning in from. Subscribe and ring the bell for fresh videos every single week that dig into clever home fixes and natural pest control secrets. I will catch you soon in the next upload where we tackle wiping out stubborn garden pests using nothing but baking soda.